Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 2. Today our topic is multiplication. Today we will deal page number 72, 73, 74 and 75. After watching this lesson, students will be able to do multiplication converting ones, do multiplication converting tens. So let's start our lesson. First, I am going to do page number 72, multiplication converting ones. Look at Adil's sweets. There are 14 sweets in each bag. Again, Adil multiplies to find how many altogether. So he multiplies 14 by 3. First he multiply the ones. 3 fours are 12. 12 ones means 110, 2 ones. So he writes 2 in ones column and convert 10 ones into 110. Step 2. Now he multiplies the tens. 3 ones are 3. But Adil remembered the 10 he has converted from the ones. He adds this to his answer. Now 3 ones are 3 and add 1 10. So the number comes 4. So the answer is 42. That means Adil has 42 sweets. Now I am going to do page number 72, question number 1. Complete these. One has been done for you. In which 15 multiply by 4. Start with ones. 4 fives are 20. 20 means 2 tens, 0 ones. So write 0 in ones column and convert 2 tens into tens column above 1. Now multiply tens. 4 ones are 4. And remember to add 2 tens converted from the ones. Now add this. 4 tens and 2 tens equals to 6 tens. So the answer is 60. Let's do another. 66 multiply by 2. First multiply ones. 2 6 are 12. Write 2 in ones column and convert 10 ones into 110. Now multiply tens. 2 6 are 12 and add 110 into 1210. 110 and 12 tens equals to 13 tens. 13 tens means 103 tens. So write 3 tens in tens column and write 100 in hundreds column. Now I am going to do page number 73. 17 multiply by 4. 4 sevens are 28. So write 8 in ones column and convert 2 tens into tens column above 1. Now multiply tens. 4 ones are 4. Now add 2 tens into 4. 4 tens and 2 tens equal to 6 tens. So write 6 in tens column. So the answer is 68. Let's do another. 32 multiply by 7. 7 twos are 14. 14 means 110, 4 ones. So write 4 in ones column and convert 110 into tens column above 3. Now multiply tens. 7 threes are 21. Now add 110 into 21. 21 tens and 110 equal to 22 tens. 22 tens means 2 hundreds, 2 tens. So write 2 tens in tens column and write 2 hundreds in the hundreds column. So the answer is 224. Let's do another. 19 multiplied by 9. 9 nines are 81. 81 means 8 tens, 1 ones. So write 1 in ones column and convert 8 tens into tens column above 1. Now multiply tens. 9 ones are 9. Now add 8 tens into 9 tens. 8 tens and 9 tens equal to 17 tens. 17 tens equals to 107 tens. So write 7 tens in tens column and write 100 in hundreds column. So the answer is 171. Now I'm going to do page number 74. Multiplication converting ones, converting tens. Question number 1. Complete these. 124 multiplied by 4. First multiply the ones with the multiplier. 4 fours are 16. 16 means 110, 6 ones. So write 6 ones in ones column and convert 110 into tens column. Now multiply tens. 4 twos are 8. Add 110 into 8 tens. 8 tens and 1 tens equals to 9 tens. So write 9 tens in tens column. Now multiply hundreds. 4 ones are 4. So write 4 in hundreds column. So the answer is 496. Let's do another. 113 multiplied by 5. 5 threes are 15. Write 5 in ones column and convert 110 into tens column above 1. Now multiply tens. 5 ones are 5. Add 110 into 5 tens. 110 and 5 tens equals to 6 tens. Now multiply hundreds column. 5 ones are 5. So write 5 in hundreds column. So the answer is 565. Now I'm going to do page number 75. Multiplication converting tens and ones. Question number 2. Complete these. The first one is 161 multiplied by 6. First multiply the ones with the multiplier. 6 ones are 6. No conversion needed. Next multiply the tens with the multiplier. 6 6 are 36. 36 tens means 306 tens. So write 6 tens in tens column and convert 300 in hundreds column above 1. Now multiply hundreds. 6 ones are 6. Now add 300s in 600s. 300s and 600s equals to 900s. So write 9 in hundreds column. So the answer is 966. Let's do another. 252 multiplied by 3. First multiply the ones with the multiplier. 3 twos are 6. No conversion needed. Next multiply the tens with the multiplier. 3 5s are 15. Too many tens. So write 5 in tens column and convert 110 into 100. Lastly, multiply the hundreds. 3 twos are 6. Remember to add the 100 converted from the tens. 6 plus 1 equals to 7. So the answer is 756. Now I'm going to do question number 3 of page number 75. Complete these. The first one is 143 multiplied by 6. It may be necessary to convert both tens and ones. Let's multiply. First multiply the ones with the multiplier. 6 threes are 18. Too many ones. So write 8 in ones column and convert 110 into tens column above 4. Now multiply tens. 6 fours are 24. And remember to add the 110 converted from the ones. 24 plus 1 equals to 25. Too many tens. So write 5 in tens column and convert 200s in hundreds column above 1. Lastly, multiply hundreds. 6 ones are 6. And remember to add the 200 converted from the tens. 6 plus 2 equals to 8. So the answer is 858. Let's do another. Multiply 154 by 5. First multiply the ones. 5 fours are 20. Too many ones. So write 0 ones in ones column and convert 2 tens in tens column above 5. Now multiply tens. 5 fives are 25. And remember to add 2 tens converted from the ones. 25 plus 2 equals to 27. Too many tens. So write 7 in tens column and convert 200s in hundreds column above 1. Lastly, multiply the hundreds. 5 ones are 5. And remember to add 200s converted from the tens. 5 plus 2 equals to 7. So the answer is 770. So students, that's all about today's lesson. Hopefully you understood. Now your homework is to attempt page number 72, 73, 74 and 75 on your book. Hope you all will do well. Thank you.